In front of me is Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open display, and here click on wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be something in your gallery, from your gallery, one from live wallpapers or default wallpapers, and the third option is the one that I would like to pick. And here you've got all the possibilities, so just check those pictures. And then just pick the one that you would like to apply, so let me choose this one, and finally click on set wallpaper. The last step is to choose if you would like to have this wallpaper just on your home screen, also on your lock screen, or only on your lock screen. So just pick the option. In my case that would be the third one, so both lock screen and home screen. And as you can see, from now on this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also your lock screen. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.